Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into one of the most advanced and versatile fighter jets in the world, the USAF F-35 Lightning II, which continues to make headlines in 2025. The F-35 is a fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter designed to dominate the skies with its unmatched technology, advanced avionics, and ability to perform a wide range of missions. Developed by Lockheed Martin, this jet is unique because it was designed from the ground up to serve multiple branches of the U.S. military, including the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. With three distinct variants, the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing, and the F-35C built for aircraft carriers, the Lightning II is the most versatile fighter aircraft ever developed. In 2025, the jet continues to undergo upgrades that keep it ahead of rival aircraft and ensure it remains the backbone of U.S. air power. The F-35 is not just about stealth, although its radar-evading design makes it extremely difficult to detect and track. What truly sets it apart is its advanced sensor fusion and data-sharing capabilities. Pilots flying the F-35 have access to a wealth of real-time information, from radar to infrared targeting, which is displayed seamlessly inside the helmet-mounted display system. This helmet is like no other in the world, allowing pilots to see through the aircraft using external cameras, giving them a 360-degree view of the battlefield. The jet can engage in air-to-air combat, precision strike missions, electronic warfare, and intelligence gathering, all in a single sortie. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, the F-35 can reach speeds of Mach 1.6 and has a combat radius of over 600 nautical miles, making it both powerful and reliable. Its weapons loadout includes AIM-120 AMRAAMs, AIM-9X Sidewinders, precision-guided bombs, and even a 25mm cannon for close-range engagements, proving that this jet is ready for any mission scenario. Now let's talk about the price, which has always been a major discussion point surrounding the F-35 program. In 2025, the cost of each F-35 varies depending on the variant, but the average unit price is around $80 to $100 million per aircraft. While this is expensive, it is important to note that the F-35 is not just a jet, it is a complete system designed to work seamlessly with other assets and provide unmatched battlefield awareness. Over the years, production costs have decreased as more jets are built, making the program more affordable for both the United States and its allies who purchase the aircraft. Countries such as the United Kingdom, Japan, and Australia are also operators of the F-35, showing its global appeal and effectiveness. With over 1,000 jets expected to be in service worldwide in the near future, the F-35 Lightning II is here to stay, ensuring U.S. and allied dominance in the skies well into the future. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the F-35 Lightning II 2025 and its price, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cars Zone, and stay tuned for more exciting updates on advanced fighter jets and defense technology.